Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to multiply algebraic expressions using the following examples. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. In these examples, we're going to be multiplying monomial and binomials. In the first example, I have minus 3a multiplying in the bracket 4b minus 2. That's the binomial that's having two terms. The term outside, that's my monomial, is going to multiply all the terms in the bracket. We are going to be using the distributive property. Because of my minus, I'm going to be using my bracket. I have minus 3a multiplying 4b, that's the first term. The sign in between the binomial is a minus. Then I have my bracket again. I have minus 3a multiplying 2. Minus 3a times 4b, I'm still going to use my bracket and take it out in the last step. That's minus 12ab. I still have my minus. Then simplifying the second bracket, I have minus 3a times 2, that's minus 6a. Taking out the bracket, I have an invisible plus 1 in front of this bracket, which I can ignore. Multiplying the contents of the brackets will leave it as it is, so I still have my minus 12ab. But in the second part, I have this minus, there's an invisible 1 here. I have minus 1 multiplying minus 6a. Minus times minus, that's plus. 1 times 6a, that's 6a. If I check, I can simplify further, so my answer is minus 12ab plus 6a. Let's take a look at the second example. I have minus 2x multiplying in the bracket 3x plus 4. Like I did earlier, the term outside is going to multiply all the terms inside the bracket. And my minus 2x multiplying mine plus 4. I'm going to write that again. It's this multiplying my plus 4. That will give me, using the bracket, I have minus 2x, remember I'm using my distributive property, times 3x, the sign in between, that's a plus, then I have my minus 2x multiplying 4. Minus 2x times 3x, minus times plus, that's minus, 2 times 3, that's 6, and x times x, that's x squared, using the exponential laws. I still have my plus. I'm still going to put this in the bracket and remove my bracket in the last line. In bracket here, I have minus 2x times 4 minus 8x. That will give me, I have an invisible plus 1 here, which won't change the content of my bracket. So 1 times minus 6x, I still have my minus 6x squared, plus times minus, that will give me minus, because I have an invisible 1 here, so it's plus 1 times minus 8x, that will give me minus 8x. If you check, I can simplify further, so that's going to be my answer, minus 6x squared minus 8x. In my next example, I have 4x multiplying in the brackets minus 2y minus 3p. The term outside, that's my monomial, is going to multiply all the terms in the bracket. If I expand, I'm going to be using my bracket again. I have 4x multiplying the first term, that's minus 2y, the sign, that's minus, and then I have my 4x, again multiplying 3p, using the distributive property. That will give me 4x times minus 2y, 4 times minus 2, that's minus 8, x times y, xy, close bracket, minus 4x times 3p, that's 4 times 3, that's 12, xp. Taking out the bracket, I have a plus 1 here, I have an invisible 1 here. That will give me minus 8xy. However, in my second expansion, minus here is going to multiply the plus in front of my 12 So that will give me minus times plus, that's minus 12xp. And if I check, I can expand or simplify further. So that's my answer. In my last example, I have 2y multiplying 3y minus 2 in a bracket. The 2y, which is my monomial, is going to multiply all the terms in the bracket. So I have 2y multiplying 3y using the distributive property. I have my minus 2y multiplying my 2. If I simplify, I'm still going to use my bracket and take it out in my last line. 2y times 3y, that's 6y squared. I still have my minus. 2y times 2, that's 4y. Taking out the minus, I have an invisible 1 here. I have an invisible 1 here. 1 times 6y squared, positive 1. Positive times positive, it still remains positive. So I have 6y squared. However, in the second expansion, I have a plus in front of my 4y. Minus times plus, that will give me minus 1 times 4y, 4y. If you check my answer, I can simplify further. So my answer is 6y squared minus 4y. Thanks for watching. Bye.